In 1968, in Boston, Massachusetts, Srila Prabhupada, for the first time in America, gave Brahminical initiation to 3 men. Some of the women devotees who were present were upset that they were not also given Brahminical initiation, although in the lecture that evening, Srila Prabhupada explained that traditionally the Brahminical initiation is not given to women. The next evening, Srila Prabhupada gave Gayatri initiation to 3 women devotees also. This has been the accepted narrative for several decades, but recently some of the women who were present at that time have changed the story. They themselves stated that they were upset and therefore they wanted Gayatri initiation. But now they say that the reason Srila Prabhupada first of all gave to men and not to women is because of reasons blaming the men. This is part of an ongoing reconstruction of history and redefinition of Srila Prabhupada's motives in order to promote a false narrative that Srila Prabhupada in all respects treated women equally the same as men and gave them the same service opportunities as men. Someone is seriously misrepresenting Srila Prabhupada, and the fact that this is accepted as the official narrative within ISKCON is extremely disturbing, and it behooves all responsible devotees concerned with the ongoing development of Srila Prabhupada's movement to be aware of this reconstruction of history. For further information and verification of what I just stated, please see the link below.